Hi, let's start from what you will learn from watching this video. What you will learn from watching this video. What are UAC campaigns? Where you can run universal campaigns, how to set up them, how to use the language and location settings in specific conditions, choose the right bidding strategy, basic asset management tips. Let's talk about what are universal app campaigns. Universal app campaigns are automated Google Ads campaigns that use machine learning for their optimization. When to use them? Google UAC has a huge capacity and quality, meaning that you can use such campaigns in almost every promotional case. I know that Google UAC campaigns look simple. You cannot make an A/B test, select keywords, or select audiences. From this point of view, you are right. But when you dig into the setup, you can find many ways to influence performance. I will tell you about the ones in this video, where you can run UAC campaigns. You can run them on both main mobile platforms, such as iOS and Android. Ads will be shown on Search, Google Play, YouTube, and the Google Display Network. To create a new campaign, click plus, New Campaign. Choose either app promotion or create a campaign without a goals guidance. Choose app. Then you have several subtyped options. The first option works with new customers. When you want to promote your app to your current customers, choose app engagement. When your app is not ready yet and you want to get some leads before your app launch, choose app pre-registration. Then choose your app. Then choose your campaign name. Click continue. You should choose a location. I will choose Canada as an example. When you work with locations, you need to count that sometimes. It is not enough data for the Google UAC algorithm to optimize in a specific country for a specific target action. So you can combine countries by parameters such as CPA, cost per install, CPM, or language together. For example, you can combine Canada with New Zealand. It can help the algorithm to get more data and to optimize better. We move to location options. This part is tricky. Do you need customers who don't live in your location? In most cases, no. Then this selection that works with people who show interest or people who regularly visit a specific location doesn't work. Do you work with customers who are interested in your location but do not live in your location? In this case, you can choose this location. But in most cases, you look for a setting where you can work with people who regularly visit your location. In this case, select the second option. Don't forget about exclusions. You should select a language. You can keep one language. You can change language. You can set up several languages. You can delete each language and keep every language. What you can do with this setting? You can make a test. Set up a language. Start your campaign. Keep your campaign until you start getting stable results in terms of your cost per target action. Then add another language or keep all languages. And after 2 weeks, check the results. Look whether you have an improvement. You can make a reverse test starting from all languages, then moving to specific languages. You can set up a start date and an end date. If your app has a catalog, for example, an e-commerce shop, you can use a data feed. The data feed option allows people who search for similar to your data feed products to see your ads. The data feed option allows your ads to be customized to people's searches using your category names. Ads may use your data feed images. You may get more impressions. Choose your budget, then select your focus. It is the map of different focuses. Here you can find how many events you need for optimization for each focus. Also, you can find the budget requirements for each focus. At first, I will explain about the install volume one. When you start in your promotion, your app doesn't have a lot of data. Your Google Ads account doesn't have a lot of data, meaning that the Google Ads algorithm doesn't have a lot of data. This option is good when you have a low budget, when you start in your promotion, or you have a good conversion rate from install to your target action. In this case, the ideal budget is 50 times higher than your install price. You need to have 10 installs daily to make the optimization working right. Choose your install tracker. Ideally, you use a native Google Play one. Then choose your user kind. For users is the case when you optimize just by installs. In this case, you may select a target cost or may not select a target cost. When you select a target cost, you will get installs having the right cost, but usually it means that you have a lower number of installs. When you select users likely to perform an in-app action, you will get a lower number of installs, but your installs will bring more target actions, meaning that the conversion rate usually will be higher. In this case, you also should choose the 50 cost per install budget, and you need to have at least 10 target actions daily for the good optimization. You need to choose your target action. Ideally, you choose an upper funnel target action because even in this case, your optimization mainly goes to the install volume. Then you choose your cost per install. When you have enough installs, when you start getting your target actions, you know your cost per your target action, your budget is high enough, or you want to move to a lower funnel event, you can set up a campaign having the in-app actions focus. In this case, you need to have at least 10 events daily for the right optimization, set up a budget that is 15 to 20 times higher than your target cost, at least. For the setup, you also need a tracker, and you need to select a target event. Also, you need to choose a target cost. Choose it higher than your predicted or current target cost from install campaigns by around at least 20%. For example, 10. When you have enough budget, when you have enough number of actions, when you want to move to a more return on investment kind of optimization, you can use the in-app action value focus. In this case, you also need at least 10 events daily. And you need to select an event. You need to select a tracker, and you need to set up ROAS. It should be higher than your target one. Move to assets. Click Next. The asset types are headlines, descriptions, images, videos, and HTML files. Additionally, you can put an app link. Now I will tell you a little bit about the asset management. Add as many assets as possible using each asset slot. Set up several ad groups per campaign. It is a good practice when you use different themes for different ad groups. For example, one ad group has a low price theme and another one has good price theme. Summary. It is critical to make different tests. Choose the right focus counting your budget and your target action goals. Add as many assets as possible per group. Use ad groups having different themes. I am adding a link to the presentation to the video description. Next videos will be about app engagement campaigns, pro tips for the asset management, bidding pro tips, audience pro tips. Thank you for watching this video. I've done a lot of efforts to create the one. I'm very open for any kind of feedback. Please like the video, follow the channel, make comments. I will put the useful links to the description of this video. The links are my LinkedIn profile, the presentation. Finally, I am open to cooperation in digital marketing. Write me. Thank you very much. Bye.